Ooh. So shot like this and then. So Faye, what are we gonna do in today's episode?
Theme park.
Theme park, baby. Let's go. What's up, vlog? I'm vlogging pretty obviously. We're at the theme park right now, so B-roll is something. It's a must. So let's go. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go. We're going backwards. Okay. I'm going down back. I thought my head was gonna hit that.
Oh, this is actually better.
Yeah, of course it's better. Down, we're going down, we're going down.
Oh, we're going in a tunnel. Oh my god.
It's not to see what happens on the main vlog. Yeah, you're probably disappointed. I'm watching one of the OG Casey Neistat vlog episodes. Yeah, I love that one. I watched it many times. And what I'm doing right now, something a bit weird. So I've finished, doing my edits for the day and things like that. I'm writing this kind of story. Well, it's not a story, it's a book. The do's and do nots of filmmaking and creating. Yeah, it's not like something that I've sort of prepped for it to go out, but everything I create goes out, so it's kind of policy that I have here, so yeah, it'll go out eventually, maybe several years' time, but it's what I'm working on right now, and I can sort of note it down every time I watch something or learn something on my journey to greatness. By the way, great day today, great fun, enjoyed it with the family. Yeah, it was great.